In the words of former Prime Minister Imran Khan, "All that's left for them now is to murder me, but I'm not afraid to die." These chilling words, penned from a prison cell, echo loudly in the chambers of international politics today. To understand how this iconic figure ended up in this dire situation, we need to journey back to August of 2023. Khan was arrested and sentenced to jail on corruption charges, but these were not simple allegations. Khan, ever the fighter, insists these charges were politically motivated, a tool used to remove him from the political arena. In the wake of his arrest, Khan's party, Pakistan Tahreek Insaf, faced severe restrictions on holding in-person rallies. Despite these constraints, Khan's voice refused to be silenced. Using artificial intelligence, he delivered a speech from behind bars during a virtual rally. This event, a testament to his unwavering spirit, garnered over 1.5 million views on YouTube. But the story doesn't end there. Amidst accusations of manipulated elections and state oppression, the military establishment of Pakistan, led by General Asim Munir, came under fire. The judiciary buckled under pressure, with judges voicing their concerns about harassment. Pakistan teetered on the edge of an economic crisis, grappling with terrorism and international tensions. From the confines of his prison cell, Khan penned an exclusive piece for the Telegraph, highlighting the political turmoil in his homeland. He called for the restoration of democratic principles and the release of political prisoners, even as he faced threats to his own life. In summary, Imran Khan's imprisonment has sent ripples across the political landscape. His arrest on corruption charges, his virtual rally from prison, and his powerful letter from his cell underline the escalating political turmoil in Pakistan. The implications of this situation are far-reaching, affecting not just the political climate of Pakistan, but also its international relations. This is a story of a man who is unafraid to face death in his pursuit of justice, democracy, and truth. It is a tale that will be remembered for its testament to the human spirit's resilience in the face of adversity.